Global warming is one of the biggest problems that the world is facing today. Many scientists believe that our production of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases is having a heating effect on the atmosphere, and this could be very dangerous for human life. Many problems could result from global warming. One of the biggest problems is the rising sea level. This could result in the flooding of low-lying coastal areas and cities. Some countries might even disappear completely. Another problem caused by global warming is changes in weather patterns. Many areas of the world are experiencing increased hurricanes, floods, and other unusual weather patterns. A third problem associated with global warming is the effect on animals. Fish populations could be affected, while some insects, which spread disease, might become more common. Solar energy could be an alternative renewable energy source in order to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Solar energy is used for direct conversion into electricity, so we could turn it into photovoltaic cells. Fixing up atmospheric carbon into the biomass to form photosynthesis is an example of how it is used. Lastly, it can convert heat energy for space heating, drive heat energies, and the like. Solar cells are an excellent example of sustainable energy technology. Solar cells convert the sun's energy into electricity. They rely on the photoelectric effect, the ability of matter to emit electrons when a light shines on it. Silicon is known as a semiconductor, meaning that it shares some of the properties of metals and some of those of an electrical insulator, making it a key ingredient in solar cells. Let's take a closer look at what happens when the sun shines onto a solar cell. Sunlight is composed of tiny particles called photons, which radiate from the sun. As these hit the silicon atoms of the solar cell, they transfer their energy to loose electrons, knocking them off the atoms. The photons could be compared to the white ball in a game of pool, which passes on its energy to the colored balls it strikes. Freeing up electrons is, however, only half the work of a solar cell. It then needs to herd these stray electrons into an electrical current. This involves creating an electrical imbalance within the cell, which acts a bit like a slope down which the electrons will flow in the same direction. There are several solutions to solve the problem of global warming. One solution is to stop producing carbon dioxide. We can do this by switching from oil, coal, and gas to renewable energy. Another solution is to plant more trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen, which is not a greenhouse gas. A third solution is to use less energy and to recycle more products. Generating electricity is one of the main sources of carbon dioxide. If we use less electricity, we produce less carbon dioxide. We need to take care of Mother Earth for us to live happy lives, not only for ourselves, but also for the future generations.
Created using Powtoon.